What's up, guys? Today we're working on the W58. We're gonna go ahead and clean it up, make sure that there's no grease on it before we apply the paint. Yes, I am putting a W58 just because of the R154 and the V160 is too expensive to afford right now. Find a good deal out there before I invest in a more better transmission for horsepower. Putting this transmission just for the sake of driving the car. For now, I do want to drive the car. I'm eager to drive the car. The car has been stocked for about close to 2 years now, and ever since I got it back from the body shop, I haven't posted new videos just because I've been dealing with other stuff. So let's go ahead and I'll go ahead and degrease the transmission. I'm gonna be using this and a wire brush to remove all the grease. Guys, so this is the W58 transmission. We're gonna go ahead and start degreasing it, removing all the contaminants on it before we apply the first coat of engine paint. So basically the goal is to have this transmission look brand new, like it came from factory. And let me go ahead and show you the paint that I'm gonna be using for the transmission. So that's what we're gonna be using today to paint the transmission. Transmission, no more grease left. So what we're gonna do now is let it dry for a couple minutes. We're gonna be taping out all the sensors. We don't want to paint those. We don't want to paint the shifter either, and all these rubber grommets, we are going to start removing them, as we don't want to paint those either. So let's go ahead and take them out. Make sure you don't break them, and put them to the side, and then I will go ahead and remove this one as well. We're gonna do next is tape out all the sensors and other stuff that we don't want to paint, so we can go ahead and apply the first coat. All right, guys, so I went ahead and taped everything off camera. So we're gonna go ahead and apply the first coat and then let that dry for about 5-10 minutes, and we'll apply about 2 or 3 more coats after that. And as you can see, all the sensors have been covered. The shifter boot and all that stuff, I'm sorry, not the shifter boot, the linkage and all that has been covered as well. And so let's go ahead and apply the first coat. All right, so the first coat is already applied. We're gonna let it dry for about 20 minutes. We're gonna apply the second coat. But as you guys can see, everything is looking perfect. We'll go ahead and wait another 25 minutes, and we'll apply the last coat. All right, so this is the last coat. We're gonna flip the transmission and paint the other underside of the tunnel. Alright guys, so the third coat is already applied. We're gonna wait so it can fully cure and we're gonna flip it over, paint the underside of the transmission, and we should be okay. Alright guys, so this is the interior of the Supra. I was thinking about buying the dash panels brand new, but we're gonna go ahead and just sand them down and paint them and restore them to make it look new. So that's gonna be in the next video. Sorry I haven't really posted any videos of the Supra, and motor should be here within the next 3 weeks or so. And we're gonna go ahead, and once we get the motor, do all the tune-up, timing belt, water pump, spark plugs, you know, head gaskets and all that stuff. Like I mentioned, I am gonna keep the twin turbos for now, and once the car is up and running within the next few months, then we'll go ahead and take everything apart again and start working on the single turbo setup.